Today's topic is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction and how we compare the mixed fraction? Now, it is given 4 is to 1 by 2. Now we understood this as 4 complete pizza, and from the next pizza, if you eat the half part, so that is said as 4 is to 1 by 2, means 4 whole pizza, and from the next pizza, if you eat 1 by 2 half part, then that is called a mixed fraction. Means a combination of a whole number and a normal fraction is called mixed fraction. Now take one more example. 1 is to 1 by 4. So it means you have eaten one complete pizza, and from the next pizza that came in your house, from next pizza you divided the pizza in 4 equal parts, and from that if you eat only one part, so that is a combination of a mixed fraction, means a normal one pizza and along with this a normal fraction. So if you eat like this, so that is a combination of a mixed fraction. One complete pizza and 1/4 part of the second pizza. Take another example. 3 is to 1 by 8. Means how much complete pizza we have eaten? 3. Yes, 3 complete pizza we have eaten. And from the next pizza that came in your house, we divided the pizza in how many parts? 8. Yes, we divided the pizza in 8 equal parts. And out of these 8 parts, you have eaten only one part. So this is a combination of a mixed fraction, means a normal number along with a proper fraction. Now the next topic is we will learn how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. First of all, we will multiply the denominator with the whole number. So 8 times 3. And whatever the product will come, we will add the numerator. So 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. And denominator will remain the same. So here is 8, so here will also come 8. Take one more example. What we will do, we will multiply the denominator with the whole number. And whatever the product will come, we will add the numerator. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And I told you that denominator will remain the same. So here is 2. Here will also come 2. So this is the last example. 1 is to 4 by 5. Can you do this? How we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? We multiply the denominator with the whole number. And whatever the product will come, we will add the numerator. So 5 ones are 5 plus 4 is 9. Denominator will remain the same. Now we will compare the mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. This is another mixed fraction. What is the first step? We will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we multiply 8 and 3 and we'll add the numerator. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Denominator will be 8. Now come here. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 2. So what was the first step? That we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So that we have done. Now we have to compare these two fractions. Check the denominator. 8. Here is 2. Are these like fractions? No. So denominators are same. Denominators are not same. it means that these are unlike fraction. And how we will compare the unlike fraction? First of all, we will make the denominator same. And to make the denominator same, we will take the LCM of the denominators. So denominators are 8 and 2. Let's take the LCM. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, 1. 2 1s. So the LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it means we have to make the denominator 8 of both the fraction. The first fraction was 25 by 8. Here the denominator is already 8, so we will not change this. Let's take the another fraction 9 by 2. Here the denominator is 2 and we will make the denominator 8. So we have to multiply denominator and numerator by 4. So the new fractions are this and this. Now check, are these like fractions? Yes, these are like fractions because the denominators are same. So if the denominator are same, we can easily compare these two fractions as we have to check only the numerator. From 25 and 36, which number is greater? 36 is greater. So 36 by 8 is greater than 25 by 8. Now at last, we will give the answer like this. 25 by 8 comes from 3 is to 1 by 8. So we will write this. And 36 by 8 comes from 9 by 2. And 9 by 2 comes from 4 is to 1 by 2. So at last, we will give the final answer in the mixed form only. Now see what is given to us. Again, the mixed fraction is given to us. And we have to compare these two mixed fraction. Which one is great? So what was the first step? We will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How? Multiply these two numbers and add the numerator. Multiply these two numbers and add the numerator. 5 ones are 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 is 5. So now we have changed them into improper fraction. Now, again the same question, are the denominators same? No. So, these are unlike fraction and we have to convert this into like fraction. So, what is the step to convert unlike fraction into like fraction? We want to make the denominator same. So, we have to take the LCM of the denominators 5 and 4. Let's take the LCM. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 5 1s are 5. Now we will multiply these numbers. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. So LCM is 20. Now what will be the next step? We have to make the denominator 20. So take the first fraction 9 by 5. Take the second fraction 5 by 4. We want the denominator 20 in both the cases. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. And here we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. So new two fractions are ready. 36 by 20, 25 by 20. Now check. Are these like fractions? Yes, these are like fractions now because denominators are same. And from the like fractions, we can easily compare which one is greater, 36 by 20. Now, it is the time to give the final answer. Let's check. 36 by 20 comes from 9 by 5. And 9 by 5 comes from 1 is to 4 by 5. So 1 is to 4 by 5 is greater than 1 is to 1 by 4. Now these are two practice questions. Practice in your notebook and write the answer in the comment box. Okay, this much for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.